So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now, let's do our assignment Entrepreneurship Week 3rd assignment 3rd. So, the first question is for an ideation workshop to be effective, the following is not advised as a requirement. First, participants. Second, understanding of the ideation methodology. Third, analytics. And fourth is a pre-decided problem definition and problem solution. So, the answer of first question is fourth a pre-decided a pre-decided problem definition and problem solution. Now the second question is the immediate next phase after a successful ideation phase is pilot marketing phase, validation phase, testing phase, prototyping phase. So let's check the answer of second question is. So the answer of second question is prototyping can take place only after ideation phase is substantially and sustainably completed. So the answer of second question is prototyping phase. Now, the third question is which of the following is not an essential requirement for prototyping of a product? So, these are the option component, test facilities, assembly facilities, computer coding. So, let's check the answer of third question. So, the answer of third question is for a prototype activity to be effective, certain infrastructure and people need to be in place. Assemblers, component sources, test rise. So, the answer of third question is computer coding. Now, the fourth question is what is a holistic value proposition by a startup? So, these are the option, and the answer of the fourth question is so let's check the answer of fourth question. So, the answer of fourth question is value proposition for the customer. Value proposition is the set of gains and benefit from the product for the customer, both in the short term and long term. So, the answer of the question is the set of gains and benefit from the product for the customer both in the short term and long term. Now the fifth question is for the performance testing of a prototype to happen, which of the following is not required as much as the others? So these are the options: product specification, testing methods, testing equipment, external look and feel of the product. So let's check the answer of fifth question. So the answer of fifth question: principle of testing specification must be laid down at the design stage, prototype to the testing, an additional layer of testing at the hands of users. So the answer of fifth question is external look and feel of the product. Now the sixth question is which of the following is a variable experience product? So these are the options: smartphone, viewing movies from a movie library, drinking water from a purifier, a luxury fashion accessory. So let's check the answer of sixth question. So the answer of sixth question: testing and validation protocols vary based on product types. Variable experience products, for example music or music streaming services. So the answer of sixth question is viewing movie from a movie library. Now the seventh question is the minimum viable product MVP version of a smartwatch in healthcare beyond its timekeeping function must be. So these are the option: its color scheme, its strap, its dial face, its health parameter tracking. So the answer of seventh question is so the answer of seventh question is smart analogy digital watch MVP and UDP characteristics, timekeeping, long battery life, basic health. So the answer of seventh question is its health parameter tracking. Now the eighth question is field testing of a product should be based on repeat of lab testing, simulated operating conditions, destruction testing, lifelong testing. So the answer of eighth question is field testing, simulated user conditions. So the answer of eighth question is second, simulated operating condition. Now the ninth question is for a post testing validation exercise, which is a techno marketing exercise. It is useful to have an evaluator panel that has only internal experts, only external experts, a mix of internal and external experts, only the CEO and CXOs. So the answer of ninth question is third, a mix of internal and external experts. Now the 10th question is one of the component of an ideation workshop is so clustering of ideas based on common threads, creation of prototypes, testing of prototypes, and none of the above. So the answer of 10th question is first, clustering of ideas based on common threads. Now submit your answer. So thank you friends for watching this video.